The life of another teacher has been taken, this time in Mandeville, Manchester.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The Bishop Gibson High School in Mandeville, Manchester is in mourning following the murder of a teacher of the institution. Dead is 43-year-old Carolyn Davis-Campbell. The teacher was shot dead at her home in Melrose Mews early on Wednesday morning, the 10th of July. Preliminary reports are that approximately 1 a.m., the door to a room, which Miss Campbell was sharing with her husband, was kicked in by a gunman. It is believed that the armed man demanded money, and when his demand was not met, he opened fire. It is being alleged that the husband rolled from the bed as the gunman fired several shots. He subsequently discovered that his wife had been shot several times. The husband escaped injury. Miss Campbell was rushed to the hospital, where she was pronounced dead. The police said they found 5 spent casings at the scene of the crime. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Teachers Association has condemned the killing of Mrs. Campbell.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.